Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about Hotfix or hot sauce from Walmart weekly consistence. Here in this first page, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list we search about Walmart and we click here in this page. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.